Hi and welcome. We're heading off to the Sandown Leisurefest Caravan show this year, and again we brought our friends Michael and Peter. Hello.
Hey guys.
And Wayne's coming along. So let's go and see what we can find. We're in. Let's go and see what we can find. Right, so we made a beeline to the Melbourne RV. Let's go and see. Hey there guys, so this is the Switch S441. Now it's a different layout from the 442 that we have on order, but it is actually one of the newer models built on the new option of the Ford Transit chassis. So let's check it out. We'll check out the cab first. Now, being a standard Ford Transit, you have this lovely 12-inch touchscreen. There's plenty of storage on top of the dashboard there. Now this is a 441, so you actually have the toilet just there, so there's no swiveling seats on this model. And there's your habitat. So let's go and check the habitat out. Before I go any further, let's check the bathroom. So there's a full toilet, nice glass, full shower, vents in the roof, plenty of lighting again. Now you have a club lounge at the rear, which looks super comfortable because you have the lowering bed at the back. Storage wise, you have a small storage compartment at the front, picnic table, secondary storage compartment here, and if we shut that, you should have the battery compartment here. Hey, so now we're at the Switch S495. It's a new layout they only released last week for 2024 delivered vehicles, and as you can see it's also on the LDV chassis, which is one of the new options for the chassis for 2023-2024. So that will be joining the Fiat and the Iveco chassis, and as you can see we've got one behind us, so let's check it out. So as you can see, proudly stating it's a new layout. Now you can see that the door is near the rear on this one, so it'll be a completely different layout. You still have your battery compartment and a small storage area and a picnic table. Now this particular model of 495 from 168, but that's not this model. This model, as displayed, 206.89. So let's go inside, which is the bathroom. Again, great LED lighting, plenty of storage, and your shower is in the corner here. Still get a raised basin and a nice cabinet, so all in all that's a very spacious. I can actually spin around, whoops, there we go. We leave the bathroom and you come into the kitchen. So again, standard L-shaped kitchen. Sorry for the music in the background. So TV, small unit. Now you have a nice layout here where you have a separate lounge. So that long area out the front must have been storage under this lounge. Then you have your standard dinette And again, no sleeping Luton because you have the raising and lowering electric bed at the front here. So that will come down here and completely cover this area. So this is your LDV cabin. Right, so this is the 495, the S495, a new release for 2024. Hope you've enjoyed it. So now we are looking at the Sunliner Atlantis. This is also built off the LDV chassis, and it's actually quite popular. It has a lovely gold to the decal, which goes across the whole of the motorhome. The same awning. This is the Olantas 451. And this one is currently 187,426. Obviously this vehicle's sold. So you have your battery compartment. This would obviously be the toilet, external power. It's your bathroom window. Let's go inside. So immediately to the rear you have your bathroom and your kitchen. So standard sink and oven. Very similar to the 495 switch. You do have a pantry here though. Oops. Now that's nice and smooth, that door. Lots of lighting in the bathroom. Do the spin test, shut the door, and there's plenty of room in this bathroom. Look at that. Back to the kitchen. Now again, this has the electrically raising bed in the middle of the motorhome. So again, it will come down over the dinette. Again, you got an L-shaped dinette here and the lovely lounge. You have storage up in the Luton and your LDV cabin. So again, a nice compact motorhome, slightly bigger than the Daintree or the Pinto, but very luxurious. Look at this lovely leather seating, this nice table, all the lighting, the colours. Look at this lovely cabinetry, the corner cabinetry and the corner there. And you've got all your remotes as you walk in the door there, your TV and your standard radio and hot water and projector electrical systems there. Right. So what do you think of the Olantas? So obviously we're here nice and early today. It is only just gone about 9:30, but we're at the food for the coffee and there's no one here. Look at this. We might get a good hour or two before the crowds turn up. Let's hope so.
Catch live demonstrations of Maltese the world's only ABS and stability control system for caravans, located out on the racetrack. Make your way to the viewing area near 925. Demonstrations are running every half hour.
Right, so heavy duty steps. Look at how heavy duty these are. You have a double bed in there, another double bed here, TV, window to the outdoor world. Hello Michael.
Outdoor kitchen.
Outdoor kitchen. So that's the kitchen, is it? More storage. There's all your controls. Plenty of head height, but again, you're only looking at that much floor space. Two double beds.
Two double beds.
Two double beds in such a small space. No wonder you've got an outdoor shower there. Whoops, I just cracked my head on that. But look at this, you've got an awning all the way. Outdoor kitchen. And there's the back inside. And look at this. Washing up. Cooktop. Obviously fridges. That. The UEV440 Conqueror. Military type. So this outdoor kitchen obviously slides all the way in under the bed. So just for a point of difference, we're going to look at the UEV490 now. It has a different layout. You can see it still has its outdoor kitchen there. Kitchen on this side again, sink and wash up. Sorry for the coffee, we're caffeinated now. Cooking, your fridges, but you have entry on either side. Over the drawbar obviously is the double bed, or queen bed even in this one. This one only has sleeping for two because you have a huge dinette or banquet, unless that goes down. Oh, there you go. The dining bed does fold down to become in another bed. So you do have double bed capability in this one.
It's half a metre longer.
So yes, as Michael just said, it's a half a metre longer than the 440, hence obviously the name. So it's 4.9 metres, I'm assuming, versus 4. And then all your control panel, TV, fan, pop top roof. Again, plenty of head. Height, I'm assuming that's a smoke detector there. Yes. So, tell me what you think in the comments below of the UEV490. So again, different from the 440, but still brilliant. Right, so now we're at Jayco. So there's the beast, the all-terrain, which we looked at last year. I somehow don't think we'd fit in a van. One thing about Jaco, there's plenty of range. This is the one that was new last year, wasn't it, with the sleeping up top?
Yeah, seats 4, sleeps 4.
Because again, we saw this last year, and you have sleeping up there. Your little dinette, bathroom. Yes. So what do you think, Michael?
Surprised they haven't left the rear windows in.
Ah. Plenty of storage, and it actually looks like it's on a drawer. Ooh. Look at that.
Sound effects included.
Sound effects included on this channel. Huh. So this is a 26-1. This is the first time I've seen the Jayco on a Iveco daily chassis. What do you think? New release, as it says. It's promising. Ooh, what are your thoughts, Mr. Wayne?
Sorry?
What are your thoughts?
Not bad. Yeah. Having a 5-bedroom, which is pretty cool.
So a northeast facing bed.
Yeah.
At the rear with, it's an island bed obviously. I'll just step back a little bit. Island bed. Famous Jayco concertina doors. TV. Plenty of cabinetry. Yeah. Nice big shower, but again, you're on display. Toilet. And the washing machine. kitchen. Plenty of space, Peter. L-shaped dinette. No luton because it's all storage. But look at that, you got some alcoves or niches. Huge area behind these cupboard doors. You're not going to bank your head on there. And your standard Jayco daily interior. Nice, very nice. So again, a more robust awning. Standard Conquest decals. But that's a big boy. $207,000. I'm assuming as it's a 26, it must be 26 foot. There's no details here. So we're on a Jayco Daily 50-180 with the Highmatic suspension. So here we are at the Jayco 25-5B. Now again, it's a slightly new model because, as you can see behind me, quite proudly, it's on the Jayco chassis. Now this is an Jayco 50, but this is the 210 model. So again, 210 horsepower versus the 180 in the previous one. Also fully automatic. But this one has the sleeping luton. So as you can see, it does get the windows up the top there. This is $231,000. Again, you have the standard Jayco storage areas, picnic table, more robust awning. Let's go inside. So, standard niches at the door. This one does have the sleeping luton, but you can tell the trim's already coming loose because this is a show special. I can't get that to go down. Sorry guys. Right, so that's the sleeping luton. Obviously it has the windows and little blinds. The Jayco with the lovely quilted leather. Now I'll try and get a wide shot, but the fridge is at the front door here. This has a 4-seater dinette. Weird how you got a low and a high side. Much bigger kitchen. So the kitchen, microwave below. You've actually got an induction hob top in this one. More niches on the back of the thing. Storage under here. The bed's on a side slide out, the same as the Switch 442. So much storage in here, guys. And a big bathroom. So, again, toilet. Washing machine off to the side, towel rail, plenty of storage, like the black sink, and a huge shower. Check out that shower, that's huge. I would do the spin test, but I have to undo the door, so we'll leave it for this moment. Leave your comments below and tell us what you think of the new Jayco 25B on the Jayco Daily chassis. Hey guys, I'm going to stop the video here. I just realized how much was actually going into this video. I think we're looking at about 16 RVs, and you know how much detail I like to throw in there. So if you've actually hung on this far, we really appreciate it. We'd love you to hit that like button, subscribe, or throw some comments below. We'd love to know your thoughts. And in the meantime, look out for part 2. It'll be coming your way very soon, and we'll see you soon out on the road. Thanks guys.